Hi everyone, Mistral AI has just now released one of the best coding LLMs, that is Codestral 25.01. Though the model is not open source, it has ranked as number one on LMsys Chatbot Copilot Arena. So basically, it's one of the best for coding, and we would be deep diving into its different features, the metrics, etc. So let's get started. So as you can see on Chatbot Arena LLM leaderboard in the Copilot Arena region, here you can see that Codestral is present here with a UB plus ranking of 1. The arena score is 1012 and which is very close to Claude 3.5, Sonnet and DeepSeek V2.5 as well. So the model looks good in terms of benchmarking, and they have increased the context length also by a huge margin. So let's get started. Let's deep dive into its different features. So what makes Codestral 25.01 a game changer? Enhanced performance. So the code generation speed is 2 cross faster, that I would be showing you towards the end of the video as well. And better architecture has been used. It is the best in the market, state of the art for fill in the middle. So fill in the middle is basically predicts and insert missing code snippets within an existing block of code. So it has been taken as the best on that, and it is proficient over 80 programming languages, so which is great. We will be talking about some of the major metrics also now. Sorry for the interruption, but we have started a digital store, Data Science Pocket, which has a number of generative AI and machine learning resources, be it audiobooks, interview guides, crash courses. So check this platform out, and the URL is in the comment section below. So if you see here, for Codestral 2501, Python, the score is 86.6, which is better than DeepSeek Coder V2, which is the second best. Similarly, for C++ also, it's the best right now, 78.9. For Java, it is a little outperformed by DeepSeek Coder, but still the numbers are good. It's not performing well on Bash and C hash, as we can see, but still it's the state of the art results for Bash also alongside C hash. So I think these languages are a little difficult to pick. And on human evaluation, the score is the highest, as you can see, 71.4, which is pretty good. Now talking about other benchmarks that have been used, Codestral, the context length is 256K, which is very high. As you can see, the next best is DeepSeek Coder V2, which is 128K. On human evaluation, again the score is the best. All the other metrics are also decent enough, as you can see here, and supports a number of things. Spider basically implements SQL generation, so I think it's pretty good on SQL generation as well. The marking looks pretty good, getting a highest score on live code bench as well as compared to other models, so the model is looking very strong. Now as you can see here, it can have versatile use cases as well: code completion, code correction, test generation and whatnot. Apart from that, it has an enterprise grade deployment as well. So right now the model is not available for everyone. The weights are not open source, but they have made an API which can be accessed using the La platform from Mistral AI platform, that I have already covered in my previous video, how to create that API and how to use it for VS Code. But for now, the model is not open source. It's just the API is available, that to use from VS Code. As mentioned, leaderboard dominance. It's debuted at #1 on LMsys Copilot Arena, and it is right now in partnership with continue.dev. So that is why you need to install continue.dev first as an extension to use it. So concluding this particular post, I think we have gathered the different key features of Codestral 25.01. We saw some metrics also. Now let's try it out in VS Code before ending this up. So as you can see here, continue is enabled. Just see at the bottom right, and Codestral is also activated. How I did it, I have already covered that in my previous video. You can check that out. Now let's get started with creating a machine learning pipeline. Imports. It has already giving me suggestions, but I want some pandas suggestion now, so I will do it pandas, and you can see now all the suggestions are coming automatically. df equals to pd.read data, pretty good. df.head, this is nice. Now let's create let's go for pre-processing. data equals to standard scalar fit.transform. It is already giving me this suggestion. Dot features, target variable. Now it is going for text and train split as well, which is crazy. I'm not doing anything. Now it is building a linear regression solution on itself. This is actually very good. I'm doing everything using the API. The results are also very fast, as you can see. Now it has built a linear regression automatically. I'm just pressing enter and tab. As you can see, it would be able to now print the results also. Now going for ridge regression. So as you can see, the speed looks great. I think the code that it has written looks also fine to me. It will require some tuning, no doubt about it, but you can improve it. So this is how Codestral 25.0 looks to be a game changer. It is available for free to use on VS Code. I hope you try it out. Follow my previous video to understand how this particular model can be used on VS Code or on JetBrains. Thank you so much.